over the past 30 years, and we've always dealt with ABCO.
We've been doing business with ABCO pretty much since 1986.
I've had a great relationship with ABCO for the past about 13 to 15 years.
We're here in partnership with Bohn and ABCO dating back over 50 years. Multi-generations of leadership back to Jules Gottlieb, the founder of ABCO Refrigeration.
I've been with Chemours for 6 years now, and we've been supporting ABCO every year at events like this or with their customers.
I've probably been working with ABCO about 10 years now. Everything from the golf outing to the trade show.
We're like a family. It's good to see all the guys here today. We're going up to see how everybody's doing.
I have to come. I've met a lot of great people in the past. I get to see them today.
Really, for me, the most memorable moment is this expo. This is one of my favorite expos to go to in the country, and I go to a number of them.
There's a long-standing relationship, great partnership between the two organizations to represent the Northeast with our Luxaire brand of equipment.
It's a real true team effort between Mitsubishi and ABCO. They're very educated in our product, and they're a pleasure to work with because they're so knowledgeable.
Very excited. This is our very first year with the ABCO team, and the dedication they have to their contractors and dealers is unprecedented. We're very fortunate to be a partner of the ABCO team, looking forward to the future with them.
We've been shuffling and dealing with ABCO since 1978, no complaints.
And I really appreciate what ABCO does in this industry.
This is what it's all about. And what better opportunity than to come in and showcase all of our vendors and our manufacturers and really get a hands-on experience with all the customers and everybody who makes ABCO what it is.
And that service emanates from ABCO, which emanates from our core. We're going to have better inventory, better delivery. We're going to have great application engineers doing estimating, but we will always sell through contractors. Some people say that's old-fashioned. I say that's the basis of the future.